Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Friday, December 15th. And we certainly had some very cold temperatures here after we had the pretty good snowfall on Thursday morning. Temperatures dropped in a few locations to sub-zero, and we'll show you that in just a moment. But for today, we're going to warm up into the 20s, maybe around 30 on Saturday, and I think in the 30s as we go through Sunday, Monday, and even into Tuesday before our temperatures begin to fall off. We're watching a potential storm for later next week. Again, that could be anywhere from very heavy snow to rain, a mixture. Certainly with something we'll keep an eye on. Then I think very cold temperatures will move in after that. And right now the period Christmas through New Year's looks like it could be mighty cold. Maybe some more opportunities for sub-zeros. And again, looks like a white Christmas. Looks pretty assured. Certainly got to watch that system for later next week. Let's hope it doesn't track several hundred miles to our west to pull up a lot of warm air, rain, and melt all the snow, but I don't think that's the best bet. If we look at the cold temperatures we had yesterday morning, you can see Clarksville, Breckenridge, and Newaygo all below zero, 3 degrees below zero at Clarksville and Breckenridge, so very cold. And this morning, though, you can see we're about 21 degrees warmer here in Breckenridge at 18. Temperatures mainly in the upper teens for the most part. Coldest area is actually off to the east this morning. Our normals for the day, our normal high is 32, the normal low is 19. And we've got 8 inches of snow on the ground this morning. And so far for the season, 11.6. We picked up 3/10 of an inch of snowfall here overnight. And as far as precipitation, that was actually from yesterday's storm. Again, our low temperature of 3.2 degrees below zero at 8 o'clock yesterday morning. And temperatures rose all night. And our high yesterday, 19.3, occurred at 10:45 last night. As far as the radar this morning, you can see low pressure system with a cold front and a trough that's coming through is kicking off some of the snow showers. Again, there are winter weather advisories along the lakeshore counties, a couple counties, but again, for the most part, this precipitation shouldn't add up to too much inland, maybe are traced to as much as 2 inches. I think as far as the MAC locations, Newaygo should be the winner, followed by Clarksville, Breckenridge, and Middleton, and maybe Lansing can sneak an inch of snow in out of this system as well. Again, the best chances for about 1 to 2 inches will be off to the north. If we look at the weather map this morning, again, that trough of low pressure system, weak cold front, cold air behind this is actually going to be shunted off to the east-northeast. We may get, again, a cool night tonight into a reasonably cool Saturday. But then I think we'll see mild 30s move in for Sunday and Monday. In the weather map for tomorrow, you can see that cold front comes through, continue with the chance of a few snow showers. The next weather maker will sink to the southeast over Iowa. And again, as that builds up some moisture, that may bring some mixed rain and snow into the area as we get into Sunday. And again, with the temperatures in the 30s, very shallow moisture. Don't be surprised if we see plenty of clouds, drizzle, freezing drizzle, maybe some light snow, some rain showers, and definitely fog may be more of an issue as we get into Sunday and Monday of next week, maybe even Tuesday morning. But right now, we do not expect any heavy precipitation. The most snowfall, if we're going to get any, will be today until perhaps later next week. And you can see why we're a bit warmer. We got westerly winds, southwest winds out ahead of that weak cold front. And again, that's why we're about 20 degrees warmer this morning than yesterday with the cold air now off to the northeast and off to the east. Again, we're going to be seeing more of a zonal flow here over the next quite a few days. And again, that'll allow for pretty mild temperatures, seasonable temperatures for this time of year. Over the next 3 days, mainly 1/10 of an inch of precipitation across much of the eastern portions of the state. A little bit heavier, quarter to maybe 4/10 as you get along Lake Michigan, and that'll translate into snow there on a tune of about 2 to 4, maybe 2 to 5 inches of snow, thus the winter weather advisories along the lakeshore. As far as how much snowfall, now the WPC over the next 72 hours would give areas from around Lansing off to the northeast, including the Breckenridge, Middleton, back towards the Newaygo area, several inches of snow. Again, I think these are a little bit overdone. I think if we're lucky, we may see 1 to 2 inches, but we'll see how that pans out. As far as the forecast goes, again, for today, it's going to be quite breezy. Could be some snow showers, maybe a trace to 2 inches in areas. And again, temperature's not too bad tomorrow in the 20s, and then we warm up possibly into probably the mid-30s, maybe even 36, 37 degrees on Sunday, and well into the mid to upper 30s, maybe even a 40-degree location someplace as we get into Monday and Tuesday. And again, the whole gamut of mixed rain and snow, drizzle, freezing drizzle, expected, especially for late Sunday into early Tuesday. And then I think colder temperatures will move in by the middle of the week, and that'll set us up for that system coming out of the southwest. That's going to have to be watched very closely for late next week. As far as weather watch this morning, you can see a number of winter weather advisories across the UP, Lake Michigan, and lake effect snow warnings as you get in towards the eastern portions of Lake Erie and parts of Pennsylvania and New York. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, a great weekend, and 73s to all.